Hey, beautiful people. We are back with another credit card. This is the Capital One VentureOne card. And I love this for those people that love to travel, especially if you like Capital One. This can be a great one for you. People put on here, I got two people that said they was able to get approved for it. It's always more. Definitely, you can search for more on the internet. A lot of times I want to update my website, but I'm still trying to just put all of the credit cards on this website if I can just be honest about that. I love this one because you can have one with no annual fee. They're going to give you out higher limits, especially if your credit is up to par. I do like to still see $1,000 limit because when I see that, I see the is good. If you guys have good credit, like not great credit, maybe your credit scores are under like 680. If I see a limit like that, I think okay, your credit score under a 680. Maybe you don't have any credit cards. They still gave you a chance. I love to see stuff like that because when your credit is really popping, then they really give you a lot more money. But I definitely like for this for those people that travel. You guys are going to get unlimited 1.25 miles back on all your purchases. And if you guys book anything through Capital One Travel, you guys are going to get 5 times the miles on the hotels and the rest of your rental cars that you book through them. So this is really nice. And I like that they have the 0% APR. You guys know I love that on purchases and balance transfers. So that can be a great option for those people that want to put purchases on their credit cards and maybe you want to not pay them so soon. You just want to sit it there. They have a 0% APR. That is a great thing for you all. And then also for balance transfers. But again, when it comes out of balance transfers, I like to do my own kind of balance transfer, which is put all of my new purchases on that new credit card that got the 0% APR on purchases, and then just use all of my cash to pay off my other credit cards. Now, if you have to do a balance transfer, go ahead and do the balance transfer. They a lot of times are going to charge you a balance transfer fee, but what you're paying in interest is not going to compare to that balance transfer fee. So you guys will be okay. Now, they have no annual fee. This is Capital One. So Capital One reports to all three credit bureaus, but guess what? They're going to check all three credit bureaus to approve you too. So that is something that we definitely have to keep in mind. The credit limits are higher, and you can pre-qualify for this one without a hard inquiry. I do have my exclusive credit membership. If you guys are having a hard time getting approved, definitely check it out. And I created a Credit 101 course. It's a $1 trial for it. Definitely check it out. I created 40 different downloadables, and it's just $9.99 per month after the trial. But I created over 40 different downloads for this, where it's dispute letters, checklists, worksheets. I go over the 50 best episodes because it's over 200 videos, the top 50 episodes basically the best videos of Credit 101, and I created a worksheet for every section of that. So definitely check that out for sure. Now, I do think that this card is similar to the Discovery and Miles credit card, the Wells Fargo autograph card, and also the Apple credit card. So all of these credit cards, if you click here, you'll go to the website that's going to talk about the Discovery and Miles credit card. So you'll go to the website that I created for that. And if you guys ever have questions about these ones or any of the credit cards, or you want more research, search the credit card right here at the top in the search bar right here. Just click right here, search the credit card, and then you guys will be able to find that credit card and get more information about it. Now, I love to find lists because I feel like people are in different stages when it comes down to applying for credit. I really do. So I like the pre-qualify with no hard inquiry, the best credit cards for a bad credit, the best credit cards for students, the best credit cards in general, the best credit cards to travel, the best credit cards to build credit, the best credit cards for gas, rewards, and cash back. Find out what you're trying to get. Do you spend a lot of money on gas and you've been trying to find you some credit cards that you can use for your gas? You can get even more rewards on stuff you already spending anyway. Then look there. If you want rewards when you first sign up, look for the best credit cards that offer rewards. Cash back, then that's your list. Now, I love cashback. I love rewards. I love just these two because it's going to help with my travels, going to help with my gas, going to help with everything. But I really like to pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. I love a credit card that's going to tell me yes or no without a hard inquiry. And this credit card should be able to pre-qualify you. But I like this list right here. So definitely check out this list if you're trying to find a credit card that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, because that's very, very important. Okay. So definitely go there and check out which one is best for you. I have the 6 months of free dispute letters. I can create these dispute letters for you. All you guys have to do is follow steps 1 through 5, and the fifth step is to actually call us. And what we'll do is we'll create the dispute letters for you, and then you can mail them into the credit bureaus. Now, you guys may not be able to mail them out to the credit bureaus. We can actually help you with that process. But I always tell people, no matter what, especially with me having settlements with the credit bureaus and these debt collectors and things like that, I say send stuff certified because I realize that these companies gonna play stupid, y'all. They gonna play stupid unless you got a certified receipt. Then they're gonna start taking you a little bit more serious. So don't send out anything to these companies without sending out certified mail. Okay, please make sure you guys send it out certified mail, and that's gonna give you guys a greater chance of actually getting approved to get those accounts deleted. I don't want to say approved because you ain't got to get no approval. It's going to be a greater chance of getting the accounts deleted so you can get approved for the credit that you want. And remember, if you ever get denied for anything, keep your denials. Please keep your denials. Call me if you have any questions on why I say keep your denials. But at the bottom, also, I wanted to go over again. We have our exclusive credit membership. I talk about reasons on why to keep the denials. These results are actual results from people that was a part of my credit membership. 88-point increase. All of these increases 113, 116, 129, 52, or these accounts getting deleted. These are all results from my clients that I was able to get off of Credit Karma. And I just want to let you guys know that whatever credit card you want, you should be able to get it, but find out like which credit card is like best for the life that you are living at the time. I see a lot of people just getting credit cards, and I got into a point too when I was learning about these different credit cards. I'm like, let me get them and let me test them out because I really don't like to speak on certain credit cards or companies if I haven't personally dealt with them or seen how they were. I know it's one thing to see how companies are when they refuse to delete things, but to see how they are when you're actually like a customer, basically when you actually had a credit card, it's two separate things if you ask me. So I like to not speak on credit cards. So I started getting so many credit cards just to test it, just start building out my credit cards, trying to figure out what was best for me, which ones I liked, which ones I didn't like. But at the same time, I always told you guys, get the credit cards that you really want to keep, because a lot of credit cards, I'm like, let me just close this. I'm not gonna even do my 6-month rule on this one. Let me let them close this whenever they're gonna close it, because I don't even want to keep it alive anyway. But just clean up my credit to the get down to the cards that I really want. And I want you guys to focus on that too. Try to get your everyday cards that you're going to actually use, keep up with, not go into debt with, and also keep some cards that can help with your utilization. But if you guys ever have any questions, definitely let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. You can call us at 833 Rickita.